Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I challenge myself to save money on a low-income budget using just $10 for cash stuffing.
I'm sure you had good bag. Wait, hold up, 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 wait, hold up.
When it comes to budgeting, one of the most effective methods that I've come across is cash stuffing. It's a simple yet powerful way to start saving money, and is especially helpful for those of us on a tight income. With cash stuffing, you're able to set aside small amounts of money each month, and over time, it can really add up. Today, I want to explore whether it's really possible to save money on a low-income budget using just $10 cash stuffing. One of the biggest challenges of saving money on a low income is that there just never seems to be enough left over at the end of the month. Between rent, utilities, and groceries, it can be tough to scrape together even a few dollars to put away. And then, of course, there are unexpected expenses that always seems to pop up. Your car breaks down, or you get sick and need to pay for medication. It's hard to see how you can possibly save money when it feels like you're living paycheck to paycheck. Another issue is that when you're living on a tight income, it can be hard to prioritize saving. You might feel like you need to put every single penny towards immediate expenses rather than setting some aside for the future. And yet, not saving can be a really risky strategy. If you don't have any money set aside, you're one unexpected expense away from going into debt. In addition to these challenges, there's often a psychological component to saving on a low income. When you're struggling to make ends meet, it can be hard to feel motivated to save. You might feel like you're barely keeping your head above water, and the thought of trying to save money on top of everything else can be overwhelming. But the truth is, saving doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, with a strategy like cash stuffing, it can be really straightforward. Despite these challenges, I really believe that saving money on a low income is possible. And one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is cash stuffing. With cash stuffing, you're not trying to save hundreds of dollars a month. Instead, you're focusing on setting aside small amounts of money in a dedicated fund. And that's where the $10 comes in. By setting aside just $10 a week, you can start building up a safety net over time. It might not seem like a lot, but trust me, it can really add up. So how does cash stuffing work? Essentially, you're setting aside a small amount of money each week or month in a dedicated fund. This money is then used to cover expenses or build up your savings over time. The key is to make saving a habit rather than something you only do when you feel like you have extra money. And the beauty of cash stuffing is that it's flexible. If you have a bad month and can't afford to set aside as much, that's okay. You can adjust your goals and keep moving forward. One of the things I love about cash stuffing is that it's not about depriving yourself of things you need or want. Instead, it's about being intentional with your money and making conscious decisions about how you're spending it. By setting aside small amounts of money each month, you're taking control of your finances and building up your savings over time. I've seen firsthand how effective cash stuffing can be. I was able to save up over $1,000 in just a few months using this strategy. And the best part is that it wasn't hard. I simply set aside a small amount of money each week and let it accumulate. It's a powerful reminder that saving money doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Remember, saving money on a low-income budget is definitely possible, even with just $10 cash stuffing. It might not seem like a lot, but over time, it can really add up. By making saving a habit and being intentional with your money, you can start building up a safety net and achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own budgeting strategies in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.